Hi, my name is Jauma and I am a flute master student at LUCA School of Arts. During the first days of September, we had the opportunity to visit Aalto University in Helsinki to attend a congress organized by C Accelerate. This congress was focused on entrepreneurship in the artistic world. On the final day of the conference, we learned about pitching and had the chance to put these tips into practice. Some students from different European universities presented their projects in a positive and constructive environment. I had the opportunity to share my project on virtual reality and music performance anxiety, aimed at helping music students and professionals train to overcome performance anxiety in a safe environment before their actual concerts. Other LUCA colleagues also showcased their projects. As a musician, it was fascinating to learn from different artistic disciplines like product design, graphic design, video game design, and filmmaking. We received plenty of feedback with new ideas and different perspectives to expand our knowledge. Following that, we delved into some intriguing details about effective pitching and strategies to capture the audience's attention. Lastly, we worked in teams to address the question posed by Aalto University: how can we make universities of the future more entrepreneurial? Collaborating in teams composed of students from across Europe was enlightening, and overall, it was an enriching conference filled with new ideas and new friendships.